Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about your imagination. How are you using your imagination? Are you using your imagination favor for yourself or you using it against of yourself? So how we can use the imagination. So stay the end if you want to have a full benefit out of this YouTube. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking into Result. So this information you're gonna learn from my mentor who taught this information more than 60 years. And the same information I'm going to share with you. All I'm doing just facilitating these lessons and what I have learned. And it worked for me, it's still working for me. And it worked all around the world. Both taught this information, the CEO, the airlines, the insurance companies, and it worked and still working. So hopefully you can take the advantage also around your business. So today I'm going to talk the imagination. Most of the time we are using our imagination against of ourselves because we are not aware of it. And only if we are aware of it, we can use the imagination, the goals we trying to create or have or do or whatever. So you can start using your imagination from inside the mind, not outside, inside the mind. And with the laws. Laws means positive. So the way you want to see your imagination, you have to start creating it. You have to start living it. You have to start feel it. And it's happening already. If you start imagining whatever you're imagining, you have to close your eyes using your mind, your will, and you have to start seeing and experience that what are you trying to image of yourself, the imagination of yourself, your goals, your personal goals or profession goals, the way you want to see your business running. And you can start imagining in your conscious mind. Your conscious mind is your the mind I'm talking from, living from inside out, not from outside in. Most of the time we are working from outside in, we are working from inside out. We are living from inside out. The Neville Goddard, he talks about the power of awareness. And he talked about, there is an example he gave. There was a lady, she was going to work and taking her nearly 2 or 3 buses to go to the work and taking 2.5 or 3, maybe more than 2.5 hours just going to work. And then she started to realize it's really taking a time going to work. And then she started to using her imagination, how the she started to asking question, how I can using my imagination, if I start imagining somebody's taking her and bringing her from work and bringing her to going to work. And then that's what she did. She started to using her imagination and she started living already every single day. And somebody's dropping her, somebody's picking her, going to work. And in few days, and she was experiencing already closing her eyes and she was seeing herself, somebody's dropping her, somebody's picking her up, and she can hear the car also parking. And she was really imagining is happening right now in her mind. Inside the mind, she was seeing already, is happening already. She was experiencing it already, is happening. Somebody's dropping her, somebody's picking her up. And in few days, and that reality came in a physical form, in a heart. They say the substance goes hard when you start to imagine, and that's what happened. In few days, somebody offered her sort of like a volunteer. Somebody wanted to give the lift and picking her up and dropping her up. 2 person people offered her from one way, picking her up and then dropping her up. And they just did their volunteer. They were looking for, and if they can help someone, or and then this is lady, they helped her and picking her up and dropping her up. And that's what happens, when you start using your imagination. And the imagination is a real, the creation, the real infinite potential is happening already, the real, whatever you're trying to create, and it's already happening in the imagination. If you start doing that, definitely you're going to see the result. Sorry, it's a sun going down, and sorry about that. Okay, I'm trying to find the right space. Okay, I think maybe you can see me now. Okay, yeah, the imagination is really working, and if you start using it every single day and start to see yourself in that imagination and start already experiencing it, whatever is you're trying to do or have or create. And sorry, I'm trying to move it where you can see me better. Okay, I think you might see better now. Okay, yeah, you start to use your imagination, use your imagination, the way you want to experience whatever you're trying to create or have or do around your business. And the substance gonna be hard because we use that substance, the power flowing to and through us, just like a waterfall, is happening all the time. But we have to know how to use our imagination, start living it, start experiencing it, start feel the smell, feel that is happening already right now, and do that constantly every single day, every moment. Start living whatever you're trying to manifest. And this is how the law of attraction works. And definitely it's going to start to work. You have to use your imagination, going inside your mind, and start see yourself, your own movie. Start to see yourself, the things you'll be doing already. Start to think about it, start to feel about it, and start to experience it. It's happening right now. And it is happening right now. This is how the imagination works. We are using a higher faculties. Higher faculty is imagination. So start using your imagination. Imagination is a creation. Imagination is happening already all the time, but we don't know how to use it. This is the reason we always experiencing life outside our mind, and we think this is the reality, and all our results gonna come from what is happening in the environment, the news, the people, the outside the environment. And no, you can create your own reality. You can create the way you want to see, the way you want to live, the way you want to. You can do that, and it's a process. It's every single day we have to use. We have to start using this process, and it's not just one day and then you start imagining it is gonna happen. But it's a process. And then you have to use it every moment, every single day, using your imagination, the image of yourself, the goals, the way you want to see and the feel and experience, and start living it already. So hopefully this YouTube going to help you, and it's really helping me. I'm trying to visualize the way I want to experience my life, and definitely I'm experiencing the way I'm imagining myself, the way I want to work, the way I want to live every single day. So hopefully you can start doing that also. And if you like the YouTube, please leave the comments. Comments going to help me improve, because I'm improving every single day. Hopefully you can start using this information and start working around your goals, personal goals or professional goals, whatever your goals you're trying to build around your business. And if you do need a further help around the personal goals and professional goals, and this is what I do, and send me email qsca.laws@hotmail.com, and I can help you. Thinking to Result going to help you how to achieve your goals. And my mentor taught this information more than 60 years. You know why he did? Because he worked and still working, and you can start using this information also. And if you don't know Bob Proctor, he was in The Secret movie, and go and watch The Secret movie. And and learn all about law of attraction, how the law of attraction works. So hopefully your homework today going to be you're going to start using your imagination, and imagination is everything, because we are not aware of it, how to get the help, how to start using our imagination. So you have to go inside, close your eyes, start using your imagination the way you want to see your own movie, start living it. So it definitely is going to happen. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Sorry if the YouTube wasn't very clear today. So sorry about that. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.